Imagine standing before the motorhome of your dreams, overwhelmed by excitement. But beneath that pristine surface, what's really going on? Buying a motorhome or caravan is a significant investment, and without a pre-purchase inspection, you might be stepping into unknown risks and hefty future costs. Fortunately, there's a solution. Our full pre-purchase inspection thoroughly examines your potential new home on wheels, inside and out. We delve into every corner, from the electrical to solar systems, pinpointing any hidden issues that could affect your purchase. Although we don't cover the engine, we recommend a separate mechanical inspection to address those critical aspects. Why is this crucial? An inspection provides peace of mind, boosts confidence, and empowers you with unmatched negotiating power. But how do we help? Our seasoned experts specialize in motorhomes and caravans, offering impartial insights and comprehensive reports tailored to your needs. Booking is simple. A few clicks on our online booking calendar, select your convenient date and time, and we will be in touch to confirm the booking, time and location. Ready to make an informed decision? Don't risk it. Ensure your purchase is both safe and reliable. Contact us today to handle your pre-purchase inspection needs and embark on your adventures with absolute confidence. Contact us on 0942782447 or visit our website.
Imagine hitting the open road with your motorhome, carrying everything you need on the roof without worrying. This is the peace of mind provided by our motorhome body roof racks in sleek black. Designed with functionality in mind, it distributes the weight load along the full length of the strongest part of the vehicle roof, making for a reliable storage solution. Crafted from high-quality materials, they withstand anything nature throws their way, ensuring your belongings are safe and secure. Now, let's explore the features of these roof racks. Built to last, their durable design easily tackles heavy loads. Many users highlight how solid and user-friendly they are. The sleek black finish not only complements the aesthetics of modern motorhomes but also stands out with the white motorhome colors. These roof racks are compatible with most motorhome models, making them versatile and adaptable to panel vans and box body vehicles. Installation can be done here in Silverdale, allowing you to focus more on your next journey than on complicated setups. Users appreciate this simplicity, noting how quickly they were able to hit the road with their new addition. Experience the convenience and trusted performance that our roof racks deliver. Make the most of your holidays by bringing all your adventure toys this summer. Why settle for less when you can have the perfect storage companion on your journeys with Vantage RV's motorhome body roof racks? Secure yours now and travel with peace of mind and confidence. Get in touch today. Call us on 0942782447. Are you struggling to climb in and out of your motorhome cab? Introducing the Motorhome Cab Entrance Steps, the perfect solution for hassle-free access to the vehicle driver cab. Designed with a robust galvanized mild steel frame coupled with an aluminum tread plate, these steps promise lasting durability and strength. Their aerodynamic design ensures a sleek, modern look. Made of galvanized and aluminum materials, these steps are rust-resistant, guaranteeing long-lasting reliability. They offer an elegant solution for shorter people who struggle to access their vehicles. Installation can be done under the rainbow in Silverdale, or if you want to install them yourself. Your purchase includes a comprehensive paper-based installation kit with step-by-step instructions, making it easy to set up. They are lightweight, at just 11 kilograms per pair, and have optimal tread and frame sizes to ensure comfort and safety. Backed by a 1-year Vantage RV warranty, these steps are designed to last. Remarkably, these steps are crafted in New Zealand, embodying the highest quality craftsmanship standards. Steps are available for Fiat Ducato, VW Crafter, Mercedes Sprinter and Ford Transit. Don't miss the chance to enhance your motorhome experience with ease. Order your cab entrance steps today and experience the difference in accessibility and comfort. Say goodbye to the struggle and enjoy effortless entry every time. Order your steps today. Contact us on 0942782447. Caravan axles are significant components of any trailer or caravan, and they play a crucial role in ensuring that your travels are smooth, comfortable and safe. If not maintained properly, they can suffer from wear and tear, leading to the caravan breaking up and falling apart. Caravans with poor suspension will suffer structural damage, and you will be surprised at what happens. The bulkheads and cupboards will become unattached from the walls, and the floor-to-ceiling bulkheads will start pushing through the roof, causing water ingress. We have even seen the chassis rails crack, breaking everything inside. Our team of experts understands the importance of ensuring your caravan runs smoothly. We pride ourselves on delivering the best solutions for issues such as suspension failure, wear and tear, and damage. We use custom-designed equipment to extract and replace the old suspension rubbers. Over the years, European caravan manufacturers have altered the axle designs and discontinued some types, but we can rebuild most of them. Regardless of your caravan's make and model, you can trust us to provide the best solution for your axle needs. In addition to the rubber replacement, we provide an axle spring upgrade, which gives your suspension an additional lift. The spring upgrade increases road clearance, improving maneuverability in tight spots and the caravan's towing ability on the open road. The spring upgrade efficiently absorbs the violent forces when the wheels hit potholes and indentations in the road, preventing these forces from transmitting through the structure and fabric of the caravan interior. When we re-rubber the axle, we replace the old squashed rubbers with new round rubbers. The old flattened rubbers no longer have the rebound to return the suspension trailing arms to their original factory position. They no longer point downwards at 25 degrees as they should, resulting in a caravan that sits lower to the ground. Replacing the rubbers will give the suspension more travel and improve towing because the new rubber will absorb the road shock much better than the old ones. Over time, the new rubbers will also slowly get squashed again by the caravan's weight and road forces. When we fit a spring upgrade, we load part of the caravan weight onto the new springs, allowing the trailing arm to travel to its full potential. The road shock is shared between the springs and the rubbers. The rubbers no longer need to do all the work and act mainly as a bump stop, absorbing those extreme impacts only. The combination of the springs and the new rubber will lift the axle to an optimum height and keep it there for years to come. People will ask if they can carry more weight after the spring upgrade. The spring upgrade was never designed to increase the payload. When we rebuild the axle, the original chassis remains unchanged. The chassis was only ever designed for the payload specified by the manufacturer. You should never exceed the payload weight listed on the vehicle manufacturer's plate. The plate is usually found at the side of the entrance door. We understand that repairs can be costly, so we offer transparent communication. We will keep you informed of the process and keep you in the loop if unforeseen issues arise. If you think your caravan is low to the ground, or if towing becomes unpleasant, then it may be time to have your axle inspected. Contact us on 094278247. Welcome to the ultimate solution for hassle-free surfboard and paddleboard transportation. Meet the stainless steel side mount brackets. Designed specifically for the most common panel vans, this system leaves your roof free for solar panels and vents, while enjoying the simplicity of loading and unloading your boards from the side. These brackets not only offer convenience, but they also ensure your vehicle complies with safety regulations, due to the camber on the vehicle, protruding only 150 mm out from the vehicle. Our brackets attach seamlessly to your vehicle, allowing you to carry up to 4 short boards with 2 sets of brackets. Convenience is where we shine. No ladder, no fuss. Attach or detach the brackets whenever necessary, making optimal use of this ingenious design. Plus, quick access to your boards means more time in the water. Let's not overlook the fact that the brackets are designed and made in New Zealand, specifically for the VW Crafter Mercedes Sprinter and Fiat Ducato. We supply side marker lights for added safety. Remember, because the brackets are removable, they are considered a load. A vehicle load can protrude outside the vehicle's parameters as long as it has marker lights at night and a flag during the day. Ready to transform your van into the ultimate surfmobile? Contact us today to arrange a fitting if you're in New Zealand. And for our friends across the pond, we proudly ship to Australia. Embrace the simplicity of board transport with our cutting-edge side mount brackets, where innovation meets practicality. On your journey to the perfect wave. Thank you for discovering this revolutionary product with us. We hope to see you soon enjoying the new ease and freedom it brings to your surf adventures. Call us on 094278247 or visit our website.